suffer than any. Aged soul, forcing heaven to the dividing asunder of your soul and spirit, and the joints and marrow, and is a discerner of the thoughts and intents of the heart. That's the word of God. Christ is the